So how to change your email in Claude? Let's dive in. First of all, uh, you cannot directly change your email on Claude because it is not currently possible to change the email address. When creating an account, Anthropic recommends using an email you'll have a long-term access to. So first of all, if you want to create a new account with the existing email address, you will have to follow these steps. First of all, cancel your current paid plan. Go on bottom left corner, click on your logo or your account. Okay, now click on settings. Now click on account and here click on delete account. Click on I understand and your account will be deleted. But before deleting your account, make sure you have exported your data. So again, click on your account, settings and privacy. Under your data, click on export data and click you can select your data from date to date, 19 days, 30 days, all. Now after that, click on export. A download link will be sent to your email. You can download your data from there. After you have successfully exported your data, delete your account by going on account and click on delete account. And after that, contact Anthropic support, tell them your existing email address and tell them that you have deleted your account and you want to create a new account with that email address. It will take a few days and that's it. That's how you can create new account with your existing email address. You cannot directly change your email on Claude. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.